In the UK, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has been discharged from the hospital but will not be immediately returning to work. Meanwhile, Spain's daily death toll from the coronavirus has risen by 619 to nearly 17,000. In Iran, 117 new fatalities have taken the tally to nearly 4,500. The global death toll has jumped to over 109,000, including 20,000 in the US, with nearly 1.8 million infections globally. This report will now tell you more.
The Covid-19 has got the world at its wits' end as deaths continue to mount with no vaccine in sight. Governments are torn apart between containing the spread with lockdowns or rescue crashing economies. Iran is allowing small businesses to reopen outside Tehran, while India, Saudi Arabia and Armenia are extending lockdowns. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization urged Belarus to impose new measures to contain the new coronavirus.
Belarus is entering a new phase in the evolution of the outbreak. We are seeing community transmission occurring. This is particularly important in some parts of the country, as well as the capital Minsk. The situation is concerning and warrants new measures to begin and be put into place.
Spain is setting out back-to-work guidelines under a loosening of lockdown restrictions, citing a decrease in daily deaths. Germany has reported 129 deaths in 24 hours, taking the toll to nearly 2,700. In France, the death toll rose by 635 to nearly 14,000.
Si nous faisons l'addition,
if we add the fatalities that took place in hospitals and those that took place in social and medical social establishments since March 1st, we deplore 13,832 deaths in France connected to the COVID-19 epidemic.
Elsewhere, China recorded 99 new infection cases, more than doubling from the previous day to reach a one-month high.